Alright y'all, what is up? It's been a super long time since I posted a video. Now, basically, I had a free time on my hands finally, because you know lately it's been schoolwork. Yeah, I haven't even seen any of my friends. Barely. I mean, I hang out with my friends when I can, whenever our schedule matches up, but that's about it. But today, I have gotten the dreaded catalytic converter code in Wiki. Yeah. So the code came about. It's like P0420. It's catalytic converter malfunctioning bank 1. So first I got scared. I thought I was gonna go banging on the engine too hard, but nah, it's just the catalytic converter. So either I'm scraping too much because it's too low, so we're gonna find out if it's scraped, or the catalytic converter is just busted. Now, these catalytic converters can run up to $100 to $1,000, and I paid $1,300 for this car, so I don't want to spend another car just to put a cat in. And so I'm gonna do something crazy, like what Scotty Kilmer said. If you get this code, you're gonna put in some lacquer thinner, a gallon when you're at half tank in your car, and you're gonna leave it running at 2500 RPMs for 30 minutes. So yeah, that's stupid crazy, but screw it, I gotta get this to work. If I can spend 20 bucks instead of spending 1,000, it's worth it. Okay, so the throttle body is back here. Man, you can't see crap. Hold up. Let's get it. Please reach. Okay, it reaches. Okay, so I'm gonna hang you right there. So there's my throttle body. I need to lock that at 2500 RPMs. And yeah, have that run for 30 minutes so I can run the lacquer thinner through the engine. Hopefully it doesn't kill my engine. Well, it's a risk worth taking to solve this issue so my car can pass smog this year. Okay, get that funnel. Alright, so I've put the lacquer thinner inside the car tank, and then now if we turn on the engine, theoretically it should burn the fuels and gases through the engine, through the catalytic converter, and that should clean it out, getting rid of my check engine code. So we're gonna go try that right now. But okay, sorry, my phone was going off. First we're gonna try. We have to put the muffler back on because I like I said, I have to run the car 2500 RPMs. I do not want to piss off the freaking neighbors. So yeah, we gotta go do that right now.
there's the suspension, and there's my camber arm, right there. And now all I need to do is get behind that. That's my exhaust. I need to connect back. Got my panel popper under the throttle body. So you can see that there it's at 25 or 2400 RPMs, but that's how long it should be. Lights are flickering. Yeah. Turn that off. Diva sticker. Alright, see you guys when it's done. Just an update. Yesterday afternoon, I was driving home. I was doing a couple of good amount of pulls, and man, the check engine light went off. So I guess the amount of lacquer that went through the engine went out the exhaust and sort of cleaned out the cat, because now I don't have that check engine light. I mean, I do have a maintenance required light, but that's probably for my oil change or something like that. I got conventional oil in, so it's about time to change anyways. But yeah, looks like it worked. It's 20 bucks instead of $1,000. Saved my ass, so yay. See you guys later. Damn Kush. Just kidding, I don't do weed, guys. Anyways, thanks a lot for checking out this video. I don't know, I know you guys not gonna watch it that much. I don't know, I only have like 12 people watching my videos, but whatever. I know he's gonna try and watch it, so hey, don't be a hater. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, give it a thumbs up, just because I don't know what it does. I'm not a YouTuber, but yeah, just do it anyways. Comment if you like, and subscribe. Peace out.